Welcome back. Now, these are two Tamil music titans, legends in their own regard, who are now at loggerheads, much to the disappointment of their fans. Legendary music director Ilayaraja has sent legal notice to famous playback singer S.P Balasubramaniam over copyright issues. The notice says that S.P Balasubramaniam can not sing Ilayaraja songs at his concerts, and any violation may amount to huge financial penalties and legal action. S.P Balasubramaniam, or he's known as SPB, took to Facebook to break the news to his fans. The multiple times national award-winning singer, who is now in the United States, also termed the incident as unfortunate and requested everyone not to sensationalize the news. Now, he's assured fans that he will continue to perform other composers' songs at his concert, but SPB has appealed to them to face the situation with grace and not with harsh opinions against famous music composer Ilayaraja. Now, the two legends have collaborated a number of times, delivering hits over the past 5 decades. They were called the Golden Combo. And now on the Facebook post, SPB has said that he wasn't aware of the legal implication when he was performing his concert SPB 50. Now, this is a concert that he's been performing across the globe. He's performed in Dubai, he's performed in Russia, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and many other Indian cities as well. My colleague Pramod is joining us right now. So Pramod, what went wrong suddenly?
Well, Devina, I've got to tell you that the friendship and the legacy of Ilayaraja and SPB has spanned for more than 4 decades. And there is not even one day in Tamil Nadu that goes out without listening to the beautiful music composed by Ilayaraja and sung by SPB. Now, SPB is on a tour called SB 50, which was created by his son SPB Sharan, and also Chitra was a part of it. They are going around the world. And at this point, this is not the first time Ilayaraja has mentioned this. Earlier, last year, he had 2 separate press conferences where he clearly mentioned that he will claim copyrights, and without informing him, without getting permission from him, the songs composed by him should not be uttered in any kind of program. Now, the part from Ilayaraja's part, they are also clearly stating that they are not targeting any minor group or minor music band that is surviving using Ilayaraja's music. And believe me, there is like hundreds of bands across Tamil Nadu that are surviving using Ilayaraja's composition. He only states that people who are using it in a big way, like SP Balasubramaniam, who has gone all across the world and to such tours, he says like they have to pay copyrights, because it seems like though they are minting money in crores, the composer, the music composer is not getting even 1 rupee. And that seems to be the explanation from Ilayaraja's part there.
But my point is, Pramod, as SPB has said in his Facebook post as well, that we have performed in a tour which started in Toronto. We have also performed in Russia, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and now I'm suddenly surprised with this action from Ilayaraja's legal team. And although both of them had a booming friendship with dishing out popular singing numbers as well, why is it that Ilayaraja did not speak to him first as well? That's the disappointment being expressed by the famous singer. Well, as the legal tussle is on, SPB has requested his fans not to sensationalize it. He said that I will respect the law as well. But here are some memorable numbers from the duo. All right, Pramod is still with me. So Pramod, my personal favorite would be in fact the numbers from Roja. But here is the point, the royalty debate that is making a comeback in the music industry, because these are popular songs which are enjoyed by fans. But whose song is it? Is it the composer's song who has the copyright over it, or is it the song of the singer who's given the vocals to it?
Well, Devina, on Ilayaraja's part, they have made it very clear, his lawyers have made it very clear that the copyright and the property for a song composed by Ilayaraja belongs to him. And last year he also made it very clear that these are his songs. People need to get his permission, not just the singers, even television channels and radio stations should get permission from him before playing his songs. He has made it very clear. Now on SPB's part, it is a bit confusing to know that SPB claims that he is not aware of the law. Copyright law is like very much on the open field, and everybody, big composers, musicians and inventors, they are very much aware of patent rights and copyrights. But still, SPB claims that he was unaware of this copyright issue, and he was also stating that Ilayaraja could have directly spoken to him. But anyway, he does not want to make this a big issue, so he said that he is not going to reply to the legal notice, but he is going to abstain himself from singing, which has come as a big shock to the audience.
Well, I can
because
tell
there
you,
is no
Pramod,
other person, no other singer who can replace
Yes,
SPB
yes.
when it comes to this song.
Absolutely. In fact, Pramod, I can tell you already the social media is buzzing with frenzy. They want the singer and the composer to call it a truce. They want both of them to perform for the benefit of their larger fan base as well. But here's what SPB has said in his Facebook post, and I quote, "I obey it with reverence if this is the design of God." And as you rightly pointed out, it's not possible that a famous singer will not be aware of the serious copyright violation. But here is the point. What is the Ilayaraja team saying? Were there also concerted efforts from the team to reach out to the SPB team?
Well, this copyright issue with Ilayaraja's team is not, this is the first time it's like spurring out now. It has been there for almost 3 years now. Last year, Ilayaraja had, like I mentioned earlier, 2 separate press meets in which he clearly stated, well, the music composer, the maestro is not that much active in the music field now. So he had made it very clear that he will not worry or bother about small groups that is like using his song. And I'll use the term here, for livelihood, and that is true. Ilayaraja's song is used by music composers here for their livelihood. That much people are crazy about these songs. But he stated like big-time musicians and singers who are reproducing his songs in concerts, they have to pay royalty. And Ilayaraja's team is also stating that SPB's SPB 50 tour is not for charity. Had this then been kind of some kind of charity issue, they would have dealt it in a different way. Now the SPB singer, SPB, Chitra and Sharan were given the notice. They are making money. In this way, they have to pay a royalty to Ilayaraja. But apparently SPB has also taken a different route, saying he did not say anything about paying royalty or speaking with Ilayaraja or like amicably solving this truce. But he says that he will abstain himself. So kind of it actually denotes that there is some kind of spar that is going, like a verbal spar or something that is going in between this this
well,
really
a legal
close
notice.
friends. Maybe
well, a
in the
legal
future
notice.
it might come. It might be solved. It would be definitely solved, I would say.
Well, absolutely, Pramod. Well, a legal notice goes beyond the boundaries of just a spar. That means it is actually a case of a tussle between the two. And it's interesting with the timing coming at when SPB is completing 50 years, half century in the world of playback singing. His fans have been awaiting eagerly for these concerts that he's already happened in many cities and states. You've had it in Russia, you've had it in Toronto, you've had it in Indian cities as well, and Dubai as well. And now it's curious, Pramod, that Ilayaraja team now wakes up before the United States concert is set to happen.
That is true, Devina. This time only they have given a legal notice, but apparently you should also take care. We should also take under consideration the friendship between SPB and Ilayaraja. So maybe there was a kind of like Ilayaraja's team or Ilayaraja himself would have said like, I don't want to go with this thing because SPB is such a close friend to him and everybody knows that. But even then, like Ilayaraja's team has taken a decision. Now Charan, SPB's son, clearly states that there is a possibility that Ilayaraja might not know about his legal notice being served to S.P Balasubramaniam. But that is also not cleared as of now by the legal team of Ilayaraja. And also I have to mention here the brother of Ilayaraja, Gangai Amaran, another famous music composer and BJP's candidate for RK Nagar. He also clearly stated that they could have solved it by speaking to each other instead of bringing such a legal notice, because they are such friends, and such a kind of legal notice providing to SPB, and he openly talking in Facebook stating that he has to not sing those songs anymore, those memorable legendary songs which are completely imprinted on any person's mind, even if you listen to it once.
Absolutely.
That's kind of songs now SPB is not going to sing. That is a huge shocker for the state, but it would be really resolved. That is what even the brother of Ilayaraja is mentioning right now, Devina.
All right, we'll hope that it is resolved, and we hope that we can see the golden combo performing, in fact, together for the fans. Thanks so much, Pramod, for joining us. Keep tracking this story.